Hey breeders, so just a quick update here. I've just added the new feature to where when you assign ownership to a customer for a specific dog, let's go into Wendy here. This is my dog in real life actually. We could see that she is owned by Demo Person 10, a customer. So if I view that customer's profile, I could open the buyer portal. And now as a buyer, as a puppy buyer, on this buyer portal, I could actually see the dog that I own as a puppy buyer. So when you assign a new puppy to a customer, they can now see the dog's pictures and any photos in their gallery, as long as some basic attributes like call name, gender, and date of birth. So that's all. Just wanted to make a quick video. So have a good night. Thanks. Bye.